Welcome back, students. Today also we are going to learn maths, and I hope you have been practicing the sums I taught you previously, the addition sums and the subtraction sums both. Okay, so welcome to class 4. We are going to study maths as I told you, and it is day 4. So the topic that we are going to learn today is subtraction. Subtraction, as you know, means subtracting of some things or numbers from a given number or things, and whatever is remaining is the answer. Now today we are going to do subtraction by regrouping. Now how to do subtraction with regrouping? Let's understand. Okay, we'll start subtracting the numbers and then you will understand how we are going to do with regrouping. Now as you can see, there are two sums given, the one on the top and one below. So you know that we will always start subtracting from the right hand side. First the ones place, then tens place, then hundreds, and then thousands. Right? The number given above is 4135 and the number given below is 2216. We will subtract 2216 from 4135. Okay, number given below is subtracted from the number given above. Here also this number will be subtracted from the number given above. Alright, let's start first from the ones place. Now 5 minus 6. Now if you notice, 5 is a smaller number and 6 is a bigger number. So can we subtract a number greater from the number which is smaller than that? Can I subtract 6 from 5? No, because we can only subtract a small number from a big number, right? For example, I can subtract 1 from 3, right? But I cannot subtract 6 from 5 because 6 is bigger than 5. So we can't subtract a big number from a small number. So what do we do? Okay, let's find out. What I will do is, I will go to the next place value, that means the tens place, and I will borrow 1 from the number on that place. Now here the number on this place is 3. So I will borrow 1 from 3 so that I can make 5 greater than 6. Right? Now how this is going to happen? Okay, let's find out. Now 3, there is 3 and I am going to borrow 1 from 3. Alright, so when I borrow 1 from 3, I am going to cut it and I will take 1 from it. So if I borrow 1 from 3, it will become 2, right? Right? Because I have taken 1 from 3, I am left with 2 now. Okay, I am going to cut 3 and I have 2 now. Now the one I have got, the one I have borrowed from 3, where will that go? Where is the one going to go? That one is going to come next to 5, on the left side of 5, to make it 15. Alright, so let's do that. There will be no 5. In fact, we will have 15 here. Okay. Alright, I hope you understood. See, we had a 5, but we could not subtract 6 from 5. We have borrowed 1 from 3. And because I have borrowed 1 from 3, it has become 2 now. And 1 will just be written will be written just next to 5 here. This was 5, next to this I will write the 1 I have borrowed from here, and it will become 15. I'll make it to 15. So there is no 5 now, we have a 15, and instead of 3 I have a 2. This is called regrouping. We are regrouping the numbers so that we can subtract better. Okay. Now I have 15 and I have to subtract 6 from it. So tell me, what is 15 minus 6? Yes, 9. Okay. Okay, now next one in the tens place. Here I told you there is no 3, we have a 2. So 2 minus 1 will be, okay, that's easy, it's 1, right? Now let's go on to hundreds place. Now here I have 1 minus 2. Again, 1 is a small number and 2 is a big number. I cannot subtract 2 from 1, so I will again borrow. So I'm going to borrow 1 from 4. So 4 will become, what will 4 become? If I take 1 from 4, what will 4 become? It will become 3. Yes. And here, because I have taken 1 from 4, it became 3, I told you. That 1 I am going to write next to this one. We already have a 1 here, and I am also borrowing 1 more from 4. That 1 I will write next to this one. So it will become 11, right? It's going to become 11. Okay. So now tell me, 11 minus 2, can we do that? Yes, because 11 is big and 2 is very small. So 11 minus 2 will be 9. Yes. And here, next place value on the thousands place, we have 3 and 2. We can subtract 2 from 3. Yeah. So we get 1. Okay, so the answer I got after subtracting this number is 1919. It's 1919. All right. Okay. Now let's move on to the next sum. Here I have 3 minus 2. So 3 minus 2, yes, I can do that because 3 is big and 2 is small. So 3 minus 2 is 1. Next one, 4 minus 5. Is it possible? No, I cannot subtract 5 from 4. 5 is big. So students, you remember what we are going to do? We are going to borrow. So I will borrow 1 from 8. From 8 I am going to borrow 1. And this will become 14 if I write 1 next to this on the left side. So let's do that. I am going to take 1 from here and the remaining will be 7, and this 4 will become 14, right? Because the one I have taken from 8, I have written it here. So this becomes 14. Now 14 minus 5, how much do you get? You get 9. Next one, 7 minus 4, 3. 4 minus 1, again 3, right? So answer I got is 3391. Okay, 3391. Yes, understanding? All right, let's move on and we will find out the answers for few more sums and we'll find out how to do it. Okay. Okay, now in here again I'll start from the zeros place, from the ones place. 5 minus 5. Okay, tell me, what is 5 minus 5? 0. Yes, because I have 5 and out of that all the 5, entire 5 is gone. That means nothing is left. So remember, any number subtracted from itself will be 0. Okay, now next one, 0 minus 4. Can I subtract 4 minus from 4 from 0? I cannot, because 4 is a greater number than 0. So again I am going to take 1 from 3. I am going to take 1 from this 3. So this will become 2, and this 0 will become 10 when I write 1 next to it, right? So 10 minus 4, how much? 6. And 2 minus 1, 1. Yes. Now this one, 7 minus 3, 4. Yes. Easy. So I've got the answer 4160. Okay. Okay, let's quickly solve the next sum also. Here I have 6 minus 7. Again, 6 is a smaller number, 7 is a big number. I cannot subtract big number from small number. I am going to borrow 1 from 4, this 4. And if I borrow 1 from this 4, this becomes 3. And writing 1 next to this 6 makes it what? Yes, it's 16, right? Now 16 minus 7. 9. Okay. 3 minus 4. Again, I can't do that. So, I will again borrow 1 from this 4, because 3 is small and 4 is big. So, again I have to borrow. Okay, let's borrow. This 4 will again become 3, and this 3 I'm going to change it to 13 by putting 1 in front of it, right? Now 13 minus 4, how much do I get? Come on students. 9. Next, 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3 will be 0. 8 minus 0. Yes, 8. Okay. I hope you have understood how to solve these sums. Let me tell you once again. We will always start from right side, and we always start from ones place, then tens place, then hundreds, and then thousands place. And when we do whenever we find out that there is a number which cannot be subtracted from a number given above, we will always borrow from the next place value. And the number, when we subtract 1 from that number changes, that number reduces. Okay, and that 1 which we have borrowed, okay, that will come to the next number written next to it, and then we will subtract. All right, we have solved 4 sums, and I think you might be clear about it. So I have some more few more sums for you. These 4 sums, I would like you to copy these sums down so that you can practice at home how you can solve regrouping. If you do it on your own, you will understand it better. Okay, I'm going to give you some time to copy these down. I hope you have copied the sums down. Okay, children, practice well and learn well. Enjoy. Take care. Thank you. Bye.